Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to collaborate on Instagram after posting. So if I've posted a video, a photo on Instagram and I want to invite people to join you or you want to invite collaborators, then this is exactly what you need to do. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now first, go ahead and open the Instagram application. Go to your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile button at the bottom right. Then scroll through your Instagram photos, videos, and the rest. And then locate the post or video you want to invite collaborators for and go ahead and click on it. Click on the three dots at the bottom right. Locate and click on Manage. Click on Edit. Then this will allow you to edit the post on Instagram. Now, to collaborate after you've posted the video with another person, just go ahead and click on Tag People. Then you should say Add Tag, Invite Collaborators. Go ahead and click on Invite Collaborators. And then go ahead and search for the name of the collaborators you want to invite. Once you search for the name, just hang on for Instagram to bring up all the suggestions. Then select the name from the list. You can see Invite to Collaborate. Click on it. Now you can add more collaborators to the post or video on your Instagram. And once you click on the invited button, then you should see a pod that says invite to collaborate. After that, you should see the list of people you invited. You can come here, remove any collaborators you don't want to have by clicking on this delete button or add another collaborators. After that, click on done at top right. Then you should see the number of people you tagged. Then click on done again. And this is going to save the video or the post and invite the collaborators. And then you are good. So that is basically how to collaborate on Instagram after posting. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.